Good evening. Hi. Hello. Just a little bit Maulan na gabi. Good evening. Ulan. Maulan. Maulan na gabi.
I decided to finally get treatment in English.
Thank you. Thank you for the happiness. Thank you for the thumbs
As of
up.
now, experimental pa lang
Thanks.
treatment at this moment.
Thank you.
Mukhang mawala sa akin.
Oh my goodness.
Naalala mo ba na nilipad tayo sa Sir Tofa? I really thought that was it for me. Dating po? Pero lumaban tayo. Alam mo, JB, lagi naman nasa pangarap ang buhay natin eh. Pero ang pinakamalaking kalaban natin, ang sarili natin. Yung takot.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys for 3 million. 1 million in the
You're the
house.
mission to save yourself.
Thank you so much. It's just a meditation. Thank you po.
You're already really special to me.
Oh, thank you for the 4 million in the house. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for the 4 million. 4 million. Salamat. Thank you for the 18 people in the house. Salamat. Thank you for the thumbs up. Nice legs. Ah, thank you. Hi, Kevin Buchachi. Buchachi. Kevin Buchachi. Buchachi, Kevin. Thank you. Thank you, Kevin. Where are you from, Kevin? Buchachi. What, Kevin? Why, Kevin? Why, Kevin? Nice legs. Where from? I'm from Philippines. Thank you for the thumbs up. France. Ah, Kevin from France. Why Kevin? Why not Kevin? Hi, Josephine Santa Maria. Ah, Josephine Santa Maria. Hi, Mom. Mom. Hi, Mom. Josephine. Oh my God. Hi, Josephine. Thank you, Mom. Oh. Stephen Paul Delaford. Hope you're having a peaceful day. Lovely will be over in a few months back home to Philippines. Have a great day, lovely hugs, kisses. Wow, you came back here in the Philippines? Thank you, sir. Stephen Paul Delaford. Okay. Your your wife is a Filipina? Filipina girlfriend? Jowa? Wife? Where from, Sir Stephen Paul Delaford? Where from? Yes. Oh, wow, that's great. Nice to meet you, Sir Stephen. That's nice po. Hi, Moms Josephine Santa Maria. Hello po. Hello.
Cycle of weakness, and Sheryl Ohm with strength sabay Sheryl and YHG. Help build the cycle of strength.
Disgusting.
Discover
Who are you?
use creams of triple keratin purified with
How are you disgusting? Welcome back again. Brad. Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy.
May bago para dyan. I'm expert using with
11 people in the house. Thank you so much. Sharing your channel. Thank you. Thank you, disgusting.
dapat tayo.
Thank you. Oh, thank you so much for the 3 people in the house. Salamat sa thumbs up. Thank you for sharing. Disgusting.
Ang lungkot pag may sakit.
Mahal na mahal kita.
Pero pag magaling na ako,
Sana all may nagmamahal. Nako. Thank you for the thumbs up.
for fast fever relief, choose Calpol.
Lintik na pag-ibig.
10 pesos lang per sachet. 25% more laman. With milk, egg, and vitamins and minerals. Tulong para may energy for the body and the brain. The only official
Thank you for the 15 million in the house.
energy for the body, energy
Thank
for
you.
the brain.
Salamat po. Salamat sa nagtatang sa nanonood na 15. 15 na kayo, 15 na.
Try to do chicken joy for beginners.
Did you know kids' milestones start when
Mga
they're
taga saan. I like your friend. Share your channel and showing love. Thank you, disgusting. Thank you so much.
problem solving and language? Nurture a gifted
Thank
brain.
you.
Provo. Right now,
Thank you for sharing my live stream
so
here.
I use Rexona, now combining Luna Plus Shield. Comes with 5 brightening benefits and 5 protection benefits.
Thank you for the thumbs up.
Your arms that stay fresh as
Roger.
Rexona.
Dicas. Hello, how was your day? It was a good, have a nice day. Good. My day is a nice, good day. Ang hirap mag-English. Hirap talaga pag hindi talaga spoken in dollar. Thank you sa nagtatamsak. Thank you for watching. Did fun stuff? No. No. No, nothing. Thank you, 6 people in the house. Salamat.
And here's one from Food Panda with one of the best results.
Roger, where are you from, Roger? What made the day good? Oh, I'm working today. Working day.
Red Horse Beer.
And that's fine.
Lakas ng tama pero iwasan sa habol ng buwas. Red Horse is strong. The number one and top beer in the world. I gotta say, basketball has always been a big part of my life. To be great, to be good at everything. Actually, get passionate about something, you really know what to do. It's game day. Bet 88 Sports.
That's 88.
Sa gitna ng kabubatay, sa isang palasyo, may nakatirang isang prinsesa. Ano po ang buhay niya? Dahil kakaiba ka, di mo minamahal ang magkagaya mo. Isang
Okay, what you got for dinner? No. Well, we already eat dinner. Our dinner is rice and fish.
Kahit sino naman, hindi palalagpasin ang mapagpapansay kay Kuya. Promise, Patpat. Photograph. Promise. Kuya, kailangan mo magpalimutan kasi baka matakot sa iyo mga.
Magandang gabi, kaibigan. Magandang gabi din sa'yo, kaibigan. Disgusting. Good evening to you. White fish. Not what? No, not white fish.
Hey, you're here.
Ano sabihin ko sa'yo ng ikaw na
Thank you, Christopher. No.
sa mga mata. Pareha siya sa taong nakilala ko. Sige na, maliliit si Matma, tapos pat-pat. Happy birthday! Ikaw lang ang maaasahan kung ikaw pagdating sa kapatid mo, ha? Panghabang
Where are
panahon,
you from,
makakasama niyo
Roger
ako.
Dickes? I wonder. Where are you from? Netherlands. Ah, wow. Nice to meet you from Netherlands. Roger Dickes.
Paano kayo nagkakilala? Pinagtatagpo kami ng testing.
Gusto ni Batman mag-drawing para kay Miss Mia.
James Myers. Hi, James Myers. Hello, welcome to my life. Hi, James Myers. Hello. Nice to meet you too. Okay, how old are you, Roger? How is your day going? My day going is a great day. My James Myers. Thank you, disgusting Master Rang. Thank you so much. My day is a good day. Where are you from, James Myers? Myers. Myers. Mm, UEC South Arkansas. Oh, okay, wow. Nice to meet you, James Myers. How old are you, James? Nice to meet you from from Philippines to America. Dallas Peo. Hi, Dallas Peo. 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 Ang payo ko sa'yo, Dallas, is have a nice day. I'm old, 55. You're old? It's 55. Nice age. My boyfriend is 57. Great age. What is fun to do there? Beach nearby? Nearby, I have a nearby beach here, but no time to go to the beach. And need to travel a few minutes. No vehicle. Need to pay the service. Love you more. Disgusting. Thank you, disgusting Master Rang. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 10 million in the house. I am starting my next life. That's nice, James. What is your next life? Maybe next chapter in your life. Okay, have a good night. Bye. Bye, Roger. Lucas, thank you for joining here. Good evening, love. Hi, Tito Stefan. Good evening. Good evening, Tito. How are you, Tito? Adventure exploring. Yeah. That's adventure exploring. I want to travel the world. Wow, that's an exciting part. Great job, James. Nice, James. Hi, Titi Stefan. How are you? Good morning. Good morning, Canada. Good morning to you, Canada. From Dallas, Peyo, I am relaxed. Hope your day was great. You look very good. Thank you, Sir Dallas Peyo. Thank you, Dallas Peyo. Have a nice day. From Philippines. 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 From James Myers. I will travel the world. Yes, I love I'm a nature lover. Lalabas. Ang sinasabi nito, oh my God. Thank you for the 14 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you, 7. Thank you sa nagta-thumbs up. Salamat. 16 people in the house. Thank you. Thank you, guys. The Philippines is on my list of places to first. Wow, that's thank you. Thank you, James. Thank you, Sir James. Thank you for the thumbs up. 12 people in the house. Thank you. I know that you won't from me. And I wish you never met any day after you. I bet you come to you. Thank you for that, Tom Sex. Sa nag-thumbsack, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you po. What did he say you like to do? What did he say because she deleted? It's the road. It's a very private. You know what? Like, no, it's, what it said? Jerk. It's jerk. What do you like to do? I like, travel, natures. I like the beach. Beautiful natures like that. Thank you for the 6 people in the house. Thank you so much. That's why I don't like I don't entertain people disappointed because he's a Filipino. It's rude. Comment rude. Nakaka-disappoint kasi Filipino tapos ganun yung attitude yun kulang sa beaches will be my home for a while if I can get my sailboat if I can get my sailboat. Okay. Hi, Sheryl. Kumusta ka from Tita Marie? Hi, Tita! Hello, Tita. Thank you so much for joining here, Tita. Thank you, Tita. I love beach. Beach. C. Vitamin C. Thank you, Tita, for joining here, Tita. Salamat po. Okay naman po. Salamat po. Thank you, Tita. From Canada. Tita Marie. May supportive,
mo siyang nadamay sa
Very
buhay niya.
supportive.
Hindi ko kayang isipin kung pwedeng mangyari sa kanya kung hindi natin siya mailigtas.
Ooh,
Masaya rin ako
maligaw
dahil sa kanya.
man sa
Just hope
kalan,
na matulungan din tayo.
umikot na. Mm. Thank you for the, sa nanonood. Salamat po. Huwag kalimutan ang aking mga laro sa gabi bukas. Kakanta ako sa... talaga tita! Oh my God! Opo. Yes, sana maka-join. Ah, oh my God. Ay, maybe paano ba yun? May papa-join ako. Pwede ba yun, tita? May papa-join ako. Tapos, kung manalo, hati kami. Kung manalo, hati kami. Tita, can you speak English, please? Do you have a nice voice? You have a nice voice. No, I'm not. I don't have a nice voice. I love singing, but some music don't cooperate. How is share the night? How is share the night? Hopefully not too cold. Not too cold, but it's cold. Not too cold. It's cold. Rainy here. Rainy here in our province in the Philippines. Rainy. That's why a little cold, but not too cold. Yes, tita. Mag-join pa ako. Ano ba yun? Anong oras po ba yun? Sumali ka, kailangan mo ng Gcash info sa mga premium. Yes po, tita. Pwede, tita, iba ipasali ko kasi hindi naman ako marunong magkanta talaga. Tapos, ano ko siya dito sa YouTube ko. Thank you, tita. Salamat. Thank you so much. Salamat po. Yes, same here in the middle of winter. So it's raining. Okay. Where do you live? Dallas. Walang kanta. Walang kantahan. Anong gagawin, tita? Oh my God. Anong gagawin? Nasali ako. Na! Thank. Nasali ako. Roleta. Yes. Alam ko yan eh. Dati nagsumali na ako sa mga dati, may mga sinasalihan ako dati na years ago, na sumasali ako sa mga ganyan roleta. Parang ako nag-lucky ako doon. Parang nanalo ako noon dati. Yes. Sasali ako, tita. Oh my God. Anong oras po ba yun bukas? Where are you from, Dallas, Pale? I can't say. Why? Why can't say? Oh God. Marka? Alis na ako. Good luck, Cheryl. Bye-bye. Bye-bye po, tita. Thank you so much. Sasali po ako bukas. Thank you po, tita. Yes. Sana manalo. Please. I want to win. I need to win. Kailangan ko manalo. Oh my God. Thank you, tita. Why you can't say Dallas Fair? Someday we'll know it says a mountain. Someday we'll know. Alam kong meron na iba sa kilos may nadarama. Ako kung Nice boys. I thought I already told you. Oh wow, I am from New Zealand. New Zealand, wow. One of one of my the country I want to visit. I want to yes, want to travel because New Zealand is like Switzerland, beautiful landscape. Another place on my list. Oh yes, yes, James Mayers. Wow. Yeah, New Zealand. Yes, beautiful landscape there. And I think and I the nature is beautiful. Di ko inakala doon pala nagsimula. Love story di nasahan wala sa isa't isa. Nagkahawak ang mga kamay. Mm-mm. Yes, you should come and visit. A lot of very nice spots here to visit, to sightsee. Yes. Yeah, Dallas Bay. Thank you, Dallas. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Do you live with your family, kids, wife, your parents? Dallas. Aray. Magkahawa ang mga kamay. Nope, I'm single. No kids. I am a young man who loves to be alone. Young man? How old are you? How old are you, Dallas Fair? Yes. Loves to be alone. You kidding me? I'm hoping to start my own channel soon. Okay, you need to start now. James, you need to start now. Travel vlog. You already have channel, James Mayer. You need to, maybe you need to upload videos like that. 28. Ah, okay. 28 very young, right? Or I am getting old. No, still young. But soon you will getting old. Need to, slow. Enjoy your life while still young. Too young. 28 years old. Still too young. Me? Me? 40. 40 years old. 40 years old, you know. Magkahawak ang mga kamay. Oh my God. Oh goodness. I am working on some ideas for content. Okay. Maybe you need to, nature, travel, vlog, like that. Travel vlog. Me, my content, my content is mixed. Need to, yun, your night shift. Night shift. What is night Night shift. What is your night shift like? Travel vlog? Yes. Me, my content is mixed. Mixed content. Oh, you're 40, but you look 28 or young 30. Oh, I'm 40 years old already. I'm old. My age is perfect for to getting married. Hi, Cesar. Kumusta? Okay naman po, Cesar. Tumbaga. Cesar, okay lang, Cesar. Ikaw, kumusta ka? Da, ba, ba, oh, I know that you want for me. God, I wish we never met on the day I did. I brought you down to your knees. God, I wish some misery loves company. Yep. I also want to highlight my art. Oh wow, you artist? You artist? Wow, that's great. That's great, James. That's great, James. Don't you need to? I need to, I need to sniffing. What time now? What, oh, 9:59. 9:59 p.m. here. 9:59 in the evening here. Need to, no, need to sleep now. I'm going to, I need to say bye. Thank you. See you later. I see you tomorrow again. I haven't been doing it much lately. So all my stuff is old and I want to upload my new work. Okay, you need to do it. Mahina signal you. Mahina signal me. Okay. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Thank you, James. You need to, you need to upload more videos. Hi, Jose. Thank you, Jose. Jose, thank you. Maybe you need to learn to speak English, Jose. Oh, nice to meet you. It's been fun and good night. Thank you, Dallas Bale. Nice to meet you too. Dallas Bale from New Zealand. Bye bye. See you later. See you next live. I will. Thanks for the upload. Yes. Bye bye, guys. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye.